In this video, I'll show you how to fix TradingView not working. So make sure what I'm going to show you now. This is currently my TradingView, and if you're currently having some lag or some issues with yours, I'll show you what you need to fix. Now you need to tap on this three dotted icon. You're going to see settings. So this is your Chrome settings. So wait for this to load up. So you need to tap on privacy and security. You see delete this data. So come on here. You need to clear all these cached images and files. So if you look right here, this is 253 MB. You can be able to delete and clear it. Then once you're done, you need to tap on this performance. Scroll down, you'd see speed. So it should be in the extended preloading. So if you go back to your TradingView, if you refresh it, everything will start working perfectly fine for you. You can also be able to restart your system as well. So just tap on this. You can be able to come on here and restart your system as well. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.